What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Monsters in My Basement by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I will lock your favorite pet rock in your basement for him to never be seen again. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different bar chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I'm going to start by showing you the power chords that are used, and then we'll talk about the strumming pattern. First power chord is going to be a G power chord. Your formation is going to stay the same with your fingers for all of these. Index fingers on the 3rd fret of the low E, ring fingers on the 3rd fret or the 5th fret of the A, pinky finger is on the 5th fret of the D. That's the same formation there that we're going to use for all these power chords, right? So that's power chord number 1, that's a G. Slide that down 1 fret to 2, 4, 4. That's our G flat power chord. Then slide that all the way up to 7, 9, 9. That's going to be our B power chord. We will be using an A power chord, so slide that down 2 frets to 5, 7, 7. And then finally a D power chord. You're going to go all the way down to 10, 12, 12. Once you get the power chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. Now the strumming pattern is going to be a little more intermediate friendly. And what I mean by that is it's just a little more intricate than your typical strumming patterns, but I'm going to try and break it down for you. The first chord progression we'll go over is G bar chord, G flat bar chord, B, A, back to G. And then the second one is G, G flat, B, D, back to G. Now the simplest way to do the strumming pattern is without any muted strums, and that's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. So it changes from your B to your A, but the rest is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then there you got down, down, up, down, down, up. Then it restarts. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. Now the second chord progression is going to be G, G flat, B, D, and the strumming pattern is going to be the same for the first 3, and then it switches from B to D. So it looks like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And in the video, they do this weird like triplet strum. And if it helps to think of it in counts of 6, that might help some of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 6 down. Now for the sake of the song, you don't have to do the triplet strumming pattern if you're just playing along with it by yourself. You could just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and start over. That would look like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So the same way you were doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, just add, instead of going to your A, you're going to D. Again, that looks like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. That's a more beginner-friendly way. I'm gonna play through the whole thing a couple times slowly so you guys can really see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.